What up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap of today. It's the 17th of March, and I haven't uploaded in quite a while. Reason was I was on a holiday for a couple days with my family. So the first day I traded actually was yesterday. It took it took a stupid loss for almost 450. So the account is back at 52. If I didn't do that, I'd pass the account today. But let's get back into the day and let me show you what I saw during the day. Let me actually go back to where I came. I came around in 950. So let me fast forward to 950 when I came into the market actually, and then my analysis. Whoa, sorry. So obviously looking bullish. Previous day high was the target. I wanted to enter earlier, but I don't trade pre-market, so I didn't. But obvious draw of liquidity. We see respecting a 1 hour bullish fair value gap and just going straight up 4 hour. The 6 a.m. candle, top of my head was displacement candle distribution. So the next 4 hour could be manipulation or consolidation. That was what I had in my mind. But let's get back into it. Why I took a short and all of that. So if I fast forward 9:30 open high, we just open and then we open low to this 1 minute. This could also be a really good trade. I've been looking at the 9:30 trades and what I want to see 9 out of 10 times happens. For example, you could have also long this, open low in a 15 minutes fair value gap, put a stop beneath these lows, just end the target a 1-to-1. You'll get that as well. But it's not my type of trades. So let me get back into this, why I took this trade. So I said it was bullish and I took a short. So let me explain why. It was looking like we're going to this high actually. We had a 1 hour fair value gap over here, was paying a close eye on. We go back to the 15. We create a 15-minute fair value gap. So first of all, I want to see a tap of this and then a 1 minute CISD to go higher. That's what I was looking for. So we get a 15-minute. This is the 10 a.m. Also, always mark out the 10 a.m. open. This is the 10 a.m. open. So when we get that tap, we don't get CISD. We didn't even get like the inversion of this fair value gap. So I wasn't looking for it longs until this moment. When we closed below the 15-minute, it wasn't necessarily a good close, but I liked the displacement, so I took a short. You can also took a short. Yeah, I took it with 5 minis actually. Stop loss was it was at 10 a.m. It wasn't that high. It wasn't 720 to be sure, but it doesn't matter. And my TP was just enough that I had to make, and that was like 982 like this. Why is it not work? Okay, wait. Oh wait, is it close position? Let me do it the right way. Sorry guys. So stop loss was above this high. TP was around here, 980, something like this. Confirm. So I immediately entered. What happened? We go back to the lower time frames. We closed also beneath this 5-minute fair value gap. So I like downside. Initially I was bullish, but with this kind of displacement and with a small wick on the 10 a.m. candle, most of the time in this case is bearish. So I was bearish. So let's keep a look on. Immediately getting back up. So I didn't like that at all. And I almost got stopped out over here. And no, look over here. It didn't. No, it was at the 10 a.m., right? Yeah, I put my stop at the 10. That was it. That was the reason. Yeah. I almost got stopped out, but it didn't stop me out, luckily. Then I go fast forward a bit. And then we went back into profit. But what I had to look over here, I cannot replay this one. But I'm just going to show you guys what I was looking for. Let me clean this up, actually. So on the S, we had a 15-minute fair value gap over here. So when we tapped into that, my originally break even was here. But when I went break even, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to do it as well on the trade. Was when ES or NQ was going to take this low. Because I just didn't trust the trade. I was already in the trade for more than an hour. I just want to get out of the trade. So here I went break even. Like over here. Confirm. Okay, just know I won't break even. It won't let me. Oh wait. And I was up around at the end of my trade up around 800 over here, but I needed almost 1,000, and that's where I got stopped, unfortunately, on the trade. Look over here. Yeah, it stopped me out. So let me close this one. Actually, it already stopped me out. And then now, if I go back to the market, it is. It's still going on. New York AM session. The last couple of days is a pretty shit in my opinion. Like the move happens most of the time already pre-market. During a market open, we go straight to the draw of liquidity. So trying my best to catch some trades. I don't want to trade pre-market. I'm just gonna keep it on New York. Let me see, AM. A good trade to take right now. What I see is 1 hour FI gaps. Really, I'm not trading anymore today. I learned my lesson from yesterday. We sweep the previous 1 hour candle with displacement up. I'm gonna show you what I would want to see to take this trade. We get a 5-minute CISD over here, along this, stop beneath the low or this low, and then target these highs, for example. I'm not taking this, not at all. I don't like price action at all, but it could be the case that this is still the draw. FOMC tomorrow as well. Let me see, actually, FOMC. Oh, it's starting up. So I'm waiting for that as well to drop. I think I'm still trading AM session. Sometimes AM session is open too. AM session is good when FOMC drops. Sometimes it's not, so just waiting to see tomorrow. Let me see, tomorrow. Yeah, FOMC drops in the PM session. So let me know if you guys took anything today. I think these couple weeks are pretty hard weeks. Last week when I went away, it was pretty clean setups. What I would have taken as well, but we need to do what we're gonna do. So let me know if you guys took anything, and good luck, guys. Let's get a payout together.